to my channel. It's been a while, like months. Yeah, I can't even remember the last video I did. I think it was like a dupe video. Yeah. Anyway, so welcome back to my channel. I don't know. I wanted to do not so much something different, but this is something I've wanted to do for a while now, but I could never get things quite how I wanted them for the most part before I did the video. And I think I'm kind of annoyed because it's taken me so long to do it, but I finally rearranged my bedroom, and I'm so glad that I did, because it's like really opened up the bedroom itself, because it's like a long bedroom, or like wide. And I switched where the bed and my makeup storage has been, and it just really opened up the room, and I had a chance to like clean all of my makeup stuff off and kind of put it somewhat into sections. It's not perfect, but I'm working with what I have, and I don't know, I think it turned out pretty good. So if you clicked on this video, obviously you clicked on it because you want to see how I store my makeup. And I know that like the IKEA, was it the Alex drawers, are like a huge thing. Like everybody uses the tall Alex drawers and like stores all their makeup in them, or gets the cabinets or whatever. But if you've been watching my videos for a while, you will know that I have a love for Big Lots. I absolutely love Big Lots. Like, I feel like I can get so many things at Big Lots, and it's good quality to me. I mean, it's decent quality and it's affordable, and that's a big thing for me, is I could afford it. And it's affordable to where I could change things out and mix things up if I want, because I tend to get bored with things. So anyway, I just thought I would come back to doing videos by starting off with my makeup storage. I don't think I'm going to go through like my whole makeup collection. I think if that's something you guys want to see, you know, just comment below, or that'll be another video, because that'll be a very lengthy video if I sit here and go through my whole collection now. But I'm just going to show you how I store it. Right now I'm sitting at a desk, and it's a mess. It's honestly a mess. Don't judge me. I haven't cleaned this area. I was over here today doing my makeup and playing around, but this was a desk that my oldest had to have. She's had to do it. She had to show me that she could. It's like a dupe for like getting the IKEA Alex drawers, whatever, and we ended up getting the tabletop from Lowe's and the drawers from Michael's. Well, anyway, after her sitting at it for a while doing homework and this, that, and the other, she realized that she really missed her original desk. So we put the big desk back in her room, and then she was like, oh, you can have it. So I was like, fine. When I rearranged my room, I put it in here, and maybe I'll show you that in another video. It's not really anything that I want to show right now, but that's why I'm sitting over here in the corner. So anyway, that was really lengthy. Sorry, I've been gone for months. I can't seem to get out of my own way, much less sit and make videos consistently on a schedule. That's just my life right now. I don't know. I know it needs to change. I want it to change, because this is kind of like me time. So I'm working on it. That's all I can do. I'm doing my best. I'm working on it. So anyway, if you would like to see how I store my makeup with my shelves from Big Lots, just keep watching. Okay, so from here, you can kind of see the whole shelving. Obviously that's my recliner rocker that I use with the baby, so it's there. Just some stuff I have hanging on the wall. But anyway, I have these tall shelves, and then they have the 4 buckets, and then I have this shelf, the 2 small ones, and then I have another tall one. So that is how I store it. So I got the cloth buckets from Big Lots. I got all this from Big Lots, and it was like buy one, get one 50% off. So I bought one, got one 50% off, bought one, got the other one 50% off. So I will go through, kind of show you where I put my makeup. I just have some things up at the top, just some decorative things. My oldest daughter made me that a couple years ago, as a gift. So my top shelf that's closest to my messy desk over there, I start with all my foundations and I just put them on this Lazy Susan that I got from At Home. I call it a Lazy Susan. I'm not really sure what they call them now. Turntable thingies or whatever. When I think of a turntable, I think of like a DJ thing. But anyway, so this is where I put all of my foundations, some primers, concealers. This is just the top of a container I had. And I was like, oh, they fit. So I've got some concealers and different primers there. And then this was a mess because I was digging in here. I just put setting sprays. This is another foundation. These are primers. And then the second shelf down, I've got my blush palettes that have like a mixture of like face. So like they either have like blush, highlighter, and bronzer in them. And I've just displayed them over here in this plastic container so they kind of lay, and I know what each one is. That's the thing. When you have purchased all of your own makeup, it's a thing that like you know your own inventory. Like I can look at that and I can see a container and I know what it is. So I imagine it's quite different if you're somebody that gets a lot of PR and a lot of things sent to you. Like you're not gonna know what everything is, but I've literally purchased every piece of makeup I have, or it's come in like an Ipsy bag or a BoxyCharm box, which I still pay for that too. So there you have it. Okay, so anyway, those are the blush palettes with highlighters and bronzers, and then these are all highlighters, highlighting palettes, what have you. And then, and I just have those in a plastic drawer. And then down here I just have bronzers, and then in this drawer it's just face powders, setting powders, and then these are all bronzers, and then these are all just blushes. So it's got like a blush palette and what have you. And then I have the container, so I have hair stuff in this container, flat irons, curling irons. That's why it's all kind of squished like that. And then I have hair stuff. This is a Halloween bucket. I don't even know if you can see that. The lighting in here is really crappy. And then there's palettes. And then when you move over to here, I just have like palettes set up. So I have like my Urban Decay and, you know, different palettes there. And then this whole thing here is pretty much Morphe. These are singles that I just keep in a bag. So those are palettes down there. And then again, don't mind this, the puppy chewed it. So that's cleaning stuff. And then in here, this is like nail stuff. So, and then I put this box out because this is the newest Melt Cosmetics, the 420 palette box. And then these are just random palettes in here. This is another Melt palette. This is the Rust. It's so pretty. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. So I have that up here with that one. I want to play around with this yet. And then I just put these here. This little decorative thing. My oldest did that in art class. And then I have my mirror. And then I just have some things on the wall. But anyway. So these are eyelashes. So I just have them in a plastic drawer. And then those are just shimmery cream shadows. And there's a Kat Von D palette back there. And then I just have more palettes down here. So I've just set them up. That's ColourPop, Too Faced. And then these, oh. And then this guy. Hello. Hello. So, and then I have these. And I just have stuff in these drawers. I think those are backdrops. Those are hats. And then this up here, these are all my brushes. Well, extra brushes, I lie. I have my other 3 containers of brushes that I use consistently over on my desk, but these are extra brushes, the Pride collection. But then this is like brows. I just stuck them in a glass jar. And then this mascaras. And then I have my eyeliners, and then these are brows and gel eyeliners. So these are brows. gel eyeliners, and this is shimmeries and glitters and whatevers. And then this whole thing is lipstick. And it's like not the best. I mean, I don't know. I just have like this whole container. And then these lipsticks, lip glosses, lip pencils. And then down here is Natasha Denona. She gets her own shelf. Yes, because I really worked to buy those palettes. And a lot of them I got on clearance, or yeah, when they would go on clearance or on sale, or I'd save up my points from Sephora and buy them. So they are not all, I did not pay full price for all those. That's crazy. And this is like a drawer that I keep like all the samples and stuff that I would get. So I put them in there, and then this is all face stuff, face masks and what have you are in that drawer. These are all containers, so a brush container for traveling, like Ipsy bags, and then that was like backdrop stuff. Cool, and I just have like makeup bags and things up there. So there you have it. It's not your typical makeup storage or what have you. I don't know. I feel like most people that have them, like a lot of the beauty gurus, they have like the Alex drawers or big cabinets or what have you. I don't know. I just like the way it looks. I think it looks nice. Especially with the shelf in the middle. You know, eventually maybe I'll change out the racks or change up some of the stuff there, but for the most part, I don't know. I think it's just very versatile. I can change what's on each shelf or whatever. I mean, I don't know. I've thought about decorating or using like something on the back wall of the shelf to change it up a bit. I don't know. But anyway, so that is my Big Lots makeup storage shelving. Big Lots makeup shelving. I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. But that is what I rearranged. I moved all of that from the other wall in my room and moved my big ass bed over there. So, I don't know. Really opened it up. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any ideas, you know, because obviously I could store the stuff a little differently than all these plastic containers, but those are what I had, so that is what I used right now. Could the lipsticks be stored better, displayed better, I should say? Yes, obviously, but it was just to show you something a little different. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. And thanks for watching, and as always, enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this.